Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're selling on Amazon and wondering how to find the exact keywords your competitors are ranking for, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how to use Helium 10's Cerebro tool, one of the most powerful reverse ASIN keyword research tools out there. And stick around until the end, I've got an exclusive discount code to save you up to 50% on your Helium 10 subscription. So what is Cerebro? Cerebro is a tool in the Helium 10 suite that lets you reverse engineer any Amazon product. Just drop in your competitor's ASIN, and it shows you all the keywords that product is ranking for, both organically and through sponsored ads. Let's walk through how to use it. First, log into your Helium 10 dashboard and click on Cerebro. Paste in one or more ASINs, preferably from top-performing competitors in your niche, and hit Get Keywords. Pro tip: the more ASINs you add, the more overlapping keywords you can find. Great for building a master keyword list. Next, Cerebro will pull up a massive keyword list. But don't be overwhelmed, now it's time to filter. You can filter by search volume, organic rank, sponsored rank, competing products, keyword relevance score. This helps you narrow down the gold keywords with solid traffic but lower competition. You can also rearrange the keyword list by search volume. Just click on the search volume column header, and Cerebro will instantly sort the keywords from highest to lowest, or vice versa. This makes it super easy to spot the most searched terms in your niche at a glance. And if you don't have a competitor's ASIN handy, no worries. Just click on the Get Competitors button right inside Cerebro. Helium 10 will automatically suggest top competing products based on your own ASIN or niche, saving you tons of research time. Now for the good part, discounts. And if you use our special affiliate link in the description, you'll unlock exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else.